Good morning, everyone. This is Lonely Trades. Today, I made $894 trading London. I will explain how I did that in this video. Let's go. Coming to the market, I was pretty bullish. If you look at this chart at distance, you'll see that the market swept low and kept pumping. Going to one day, it seemed that the market put in the week's low already today. This is classic buy model, weekly buy model, because market put in low on either Monday or Tuesday and then pumping. Like, let's say, this week, they put in low on Tuesday and pumping. Same, I expect that. Now market will put in low and then pumping on Wednesday, Thursday, and then going back to the mean on Friday. So bullish. 4 hour also bullish because I really like the strong 4 hour close. It took the low and then closed very strongly. Also, it was inside the OTE of the range. Here, OTE of the range. However, we were also in the bearish OT, not here, but here, in 1 hour time frame that I will go over soon. In 4 hour, we also had relative equal highs and inefficiency as a very viable target. Coming to the 1 hour time frame, we were inside bearish OT here and here both. But it was very clear that we swept this low, grabbed the liquidity, and kept pumping overnight. We ignored the bearish inefficiency, but at the time of trading, we were inside this bearish fair value gap. But we were creating this bullish fair value gap. So overall, pretty bullish. In 15-minute time frame, market created a CISD, put a new low, and I kept pumping, disrespecting bearish PDRAs, this order blocks, whilst respecting bullish PDRAs, order block, respected here. We also had inefficiencies here as a good target for London. Same story in the 5-minute time frame. We respected bullish fair value gaps, whilst disrespecting bearish fair value gaps. Also, if you turn on the kill zone, we displaced Asia high. Asia low was too far away, and it's really not good target because the lows were too inside fair value gap, so it was pretty difficult target. So protected low, and this is too far away. We also displaced through the open, which is a pretty bullish sign for London. We also had bearish fair value gap inefficiencies to target, and ultimately we had this new week opening gap high. But for London, let's say we wanted to target this 15-minute, 5-minute, and 4-hour inefficiencies and relative equal high. Now, so I was very bullish. Going back to 1 minute, I started looking at the chart from 150. Now, according to my model, this is an entry. Why? We had target internal highs, we met the condition, manipulated it inside the 1 minute bullish fair value gap and created CISD. But I didn't enter because number one, it was before 150, so it's too early, and number two, we had these relative equal lows. These tend to be taken, so I wanted to avoid it. Waited, same logic after 150, so time-wise it's okay. However, I still disliked these relative equal lows so much that I decided to wait. But when this happened, London Open manipulated very clearly. We were also inside OTE perfectly respected and displaced this high with CISD confirmation, creating fair value gap. I entered. My SL was very clear, London low, and then TP at 1R. Now the reason I only made 894 is because when I checked on my chart, it hit my TP, but on my broker, I was only here. It just missed my TP by chance, like 0.25 point. So I just took TP immediately. But overall, it was a pretty good trade. Thank you. See you soon in New York. Bye.